You gonna let Mommy help you this time? Good job. Use the handles to pull it up.
No.
Doesn't feel right? What seems to be the problem? What seems to be the problem? Oh, yeah. What's the matter? Do you want it off? You want it off? Oh, jeez. Okay, now they're off. Good job. Look at you. You got to get your flip-flops from Auntie Amanda. They're over by your high chair. You want to go get them and put them on? Your very own? Go get them. Go get them. They're by the high chair. Yeah. By the high chair. Keep going. There you go. Now put them on. You are a shoe girl. No, that's right. No boots. No boots. I'm putting them away. Okay, let's put those on. You got it. Yeah, you got it. Good job. There, just like Daddy and Mommy. Huh. Can you say flip-flop? Can you say flip-flop, Josie? You gonna go look in the mirror? Readjust. Huh. Okay, I think 3.5, almost 4 minutes of video of you and your shoes is enough. You want to say bye to the camera? Say bye-bye to the camera. Josie. Josie, say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye.